I'm Eliza with Ancestral Evolution, and today we're talking about kidneys, in particular beef kidneys. So you asked your butcher to save you some kidneys. It likely came in a package, something like this. This is the kidneys and the surrounding fat from the beef kidneys that we got when we got half of a cow earlier this year. So I'm going to open this up and we're going to take a look. So the fat around the kidneys is the highest quality fat on the animal. It's called the leaf fat, and we're going to save this to make tallow with. So I'm just going to peel the fat off from around the kidneys. We're going to save it. Here's our kidney, and as you can see, we have kind of a core here that has fat running through it, and then this is the back side. So what we're going to do is we're just going to cut down the middle here, and we're going to cut some of this material out. So we've cut most of the core out of this kidney, and we've taken the membrane off from the outside. So now we're going to dice it up. All right, so once we've got it diced up, we're going to put it in our bowl that's got some water in it. And to that bowl, we're going to add a generous glug of vinegar. So kidneys do a great job of filtering out the waste from our body, but they have urea and uric acid in them, and then the vinegar helps neutralize the urea in the kidney. So you get better flavor at the end. All right, I'm just going to put a generous glug of vinegar in here and mix it up. And this is just going to sit for about 2 hours, and then we'll come back. There are two primary ways to cook kidney. You can cook it kind of fast and done, or you can braise it for a long time with moist heat. Because this is a beef kidney, it's going to be a little bit tougher than, say, a lamb kidney or a veal kidney. So I'm going to opt for the latter, and we're going to do a braise with long, moist heat. So we've got our kidney. I've just drained off the vinegar water and rinsed it with some fresh water. And we've got it just sitting in a colander here. So we're ready to cook. Over in my Dutch oven, I've got about 2 tablespoons of bacon grease cooking here. And we're just going to add 1 onion chopped up. We're just going to saute this for a couple minutes here. And we are just going to add our kidney pieces to this. Just going to give this a good stir. Next, we're going to add about 1 teaspoon of Italian herbs and seasonings. We've got 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and about 1/4 cup of sherry. Just going to stir this up here. Next, we're going to add about 1.5 cups of water. and about 3 carrots that have been cut up here in chunks. We're going to stir this and just bring it back up to a boil. Then we're going to put the lid on and put it in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So we had our kidney stew in the oven for about 2 hours and we just took it out. So we're going to have a taste. That's really good. Kidney has a similar texture to liver, but I think the taste is better, and especially doing it with the vinegar soak. Good stuff. Bon appetit.